Okay.
You go. Yes,
Yeah, can
I'm
you see
back.
my
Sorry.
screen? Sure.
Yes, I can see the screen. Yes, of course.
So here's the website. And this is the homepage hero section. And here's your about here is about your service, and in the end about your dental website information, and here is something about your dental information, and also about about yourself, about your dental, and also about your dental gallery. I mean the your patients before and after picture will have on over there. And yes, I mean pretty much everything have on the homepage. And
Okay.
about your service, and here's your team. And also yeah, that's pretty much it, just for the reference, if you just to show you how exactly this website work. And also this is responsive. Do you know about the responsive?
No.
Or responses meaning this website will show up the properly on the mobile, on the laptop, on the iPad. Every device will show up properly. Let me share it for you thing. So this is the iPad version. So on the iPad version, this looks like this. So here's the home section,
Okay.
and here is the like the service section. There will be show up like this. I mean, pretty much good thing. And also here's the mobile version, and here's the mobile version.
Mhm.
In the mobile phone, your website look like will be like this. And here's
Where are you from? May I know where are you from, basically?
yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, great.
And do
Is
you?
it fine, everything?
Yeah, this is fine for now. This is fine for now.
Okay, leave that. I'm from India, okay?
Oh, you are pretty much same country, I know. Yeah.
Okay. So the thing is, you have designed this thing, right? So, this is a website. This is a single page website or this is multiple page website? How will it work?
So basically, just that will be multiple page work website. Like for example, about us page and home page and your service page, and that will be multi-page website. Just I will make this website for the reference, and if you like, then we will moving forward, and also we will talk about later more about things. Okay.
So the thing is, let me tell you one thing. These features are really okay, right? I mean, like you can add a subtract, that is okay. But the main thing what I want from my website is like patient can WhatsApp me directly from the website if that is possible. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Second thing, is they should be able to book the appointment,
Oh,
and then they should be able to do the
one second,
payment
one
also
second.
for.
I didn't talk about that. That's the main feature of dental, the appointment booking. Yeah, yeah.
This is okay. Like, these are the main features that I want,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
we
It is
definitely
like
talk about the letter. Just I build the homepage, and then here also we'll have the appointment page. Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Say. What did you say?
Sorry to interrupt you, but these are the things that I really want. Just like,
Yeah, yeah. That's all.
okay.
Yeah, that's definitely we are gonna make that. No worries. No
Yeah.
problem. Yeah. So okay, so this is the website part, right? So let me share
Yeah.
with you that how exactly we are gonna increase your business. So
Hmm.
basically we are gonna do a few things. Number one, we are gonna improve your online presence. And so one thing that we are working with your client to build relationship, not talk about the money, just build relationship, increase their business. If I can increase their business, later on they can give me money. If they can earn money, that's our main mentality. We don't talk about the money, just we can only focus your passions. If we can increase, then we are successful, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let me talk about the part. So basically, on the first part, we are gonna do the online presence. We will improve your online presence by using website design, by active social media, and also by adding the paid advertising. That's pretty much important, really, for digital today. Digital is, everyone using cell phone, and your competitor. I saw that most of the dental owner are running ads to get more patients, more appointment, right?
Hmm. Right.
Well, and also we are gonna do that for you. And here's the good news. So we are gonna do everything for free for 15 days. And then if you like our work strategy, and then if you see that no, this strategy will work for you, and then we are gonna moving forward. That's our main plan,
Okay.
to show the client that yeah, Farhad can definitely do something for me, and then we are gonna moving forward. Because at first we want to build the trust. We are without building trust, we cannot work anyone, right?
Hmm. Right. Right.
Yeah. So let me share one time again, and you can also note down if you have a time and if you have a option for that. what are you gonna do
Like
exactly?
note down.
You can also do note down what we are gonna do for you to increase your patience.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. No, that's really okay.
Yeah.
I'm noting it. Don't worry.
Okay. আগে দরজা খোল। আগে দরজা খোল। Yeah, are you there? Did you find your notebook? You are mute. You are mute. Mute. Please open the mute first. You are you are unmute.
Yes,
Yeah.
I have my finger with me.
Yeah. Sure. Do it.
So let me know what do I have to write.
Yeah. So are you ready to write?
Yes.
Okay. Sure. So very first time we are gonna improve your online presence, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
First thing we are gonna improve your online presence, and then later on we are gonna improve your social media, so that you can
Okay.
yeah, so that you can also get your patients and appointment from social media, right?
Hmm.
And lastly, we are going to start the paid advertising to increase your patient immediately by, like, for example, you can get the your appointment like 10 to 15 appointment per month. This is your guarantee by paid advertising. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the three thing, and this we are gonna work with you for with the three thing, and then eventually we are gonna increase your patience, and that's our promise with you. And for here's the good news for you, and we are gonna I already told you that we are gonna do 15-day free work for you, and then if you see that, oh, this works fine for me, then we are gonna work for a long time, and just for the build trust. That's pretty much it.
Of course. I get it.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. So, and from the next day we are gonna I will send you this yeah, our work strategy, how exactly everything will work first to last. That is called proposal. Okay, so I will send
Okay.
you this thing and our privacy policy, our work strategy, and then later on if you approve, then we are gonna start our work. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so firstly, I in the next day, our team will build a. This is the example site. Our team will build a beautiful and professional dental website, and there will available. There will have homepage, an appointment booking page, and your customers. I mean, pretty much everything, whatever need, everything will have on that. Okay, like whatever have your competitor.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, so and the first part we are gonna set up your website, and then later on we are gonna set up your social media, and then lastly we are gonna set up your marketing. That's pretty much it. Okay,
Okay.
this is the main
Yes.
thing that will increase your dental patients. In the next 30 days, you're gonna see the
Okay.
results, and then we will moving forward. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay. I guess.
yeah. So one more thing. Do you have any specific color? I mean, brand color. Those color I can use in website. If have, good. If not, we are gonna use. No problem.
It's actually red and wooden color, actually, like in my clinic. Okay. So,
Okay.
like, you can use that.
Okay. Sure. And we are gonna use this color, and using the true color, we are gonna build your entire website. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So in the
So, like, may I know the packages after that you will be
yeah,
offering me
sure.
after that 15
Let's
days
talk about
free
the packages once
timing?
again. Let me share my screen
Mhm.
again.
Okay.
তিন চোদ্দ ষোলো সাত আট ৩০। Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So here's the our pricing plan. So basically, we are gonna create your
Okay.
website. That price will be $300. Okay, so let me finish the first to last. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. So the website design, that is the one-time payment, and that will be
Okay.
$300. And this social media management. And for that, what we are
Okay.
gonna do? We will create the TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, each platform. We are gonna create your account, and for the branding, and we are gonna give the all the
Mm.
information about your dental. And then we are gonna post every day. I mean, video content and post content. Our graphic designer will create a poster and banner and also the video for, and then we are gonna post on this platform. And at the end, we are gonna keep your link, and that will take to the appointment. And whenever anyone want to book appointment with you, and they can easily appointment with you by through the in social media. And lastly, and the paid advertising, then we are charged with $300. So overall, here's the 800 and dollars. So the we are not gonna take the 800. So the main price will be 400. And from the next month, for the social media management and paid advertising management and website management, and the monthly $200 per month, we are discount the
Okay.
400. 400 we are discount the 400 for you. Okay.
Mm.
And if you have any I mean the budget problem, we are going to talk about that. We will decrease that, not a problem. Okay, so you don't have to worry though that's price too much. It's
So this is the charges like for per month, okay, right?
yeah,
I'm
for the
getting
per
it right.
month. And let me tell you, this is the first month for the website, because this is the one time. Okay, so for the management fee,
Okay,
everything
okay.
per month is $200 per month. Okay, does that work for
Okay.
you?
Mm.
And do you have any questions about the price?
No, not now.
Okay, so if you have any, I mean, the pricing problem, we are gonna really talk about that, and then we will a lot of things we are gonna talk about you, and also we are gonna talk about. Okay,
Okay, sure, I understand that.
so are you agree with that?
Yes, I will talk to like my team member first, okay?
Okay, okay. So talk
Then I
about
will
your
let
team.
you know.
Okay, okay.
Like because we will have to add their name also, like who are the associated with me. That's why.
Yeah, yeah. So okay, we are gonna also talk about later, and just talk about your team member, and then let us know, and then we are gonna start our work. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure.
And yeah, I'm telling again that if you have any problem, and then you can we can discuss. No worry. Okay.
Of course, of course. I will let you know.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty much it, right?
Yeah, right, right, right. So we can talk tomorrow, right? I can meet. I can talk to my associates also, and then I will let you know.
Okay, sure. Okay, so we are gonna talk about later. Nice. Goodbye. Right. Thank you.
Goodbye. Same to you. Good night.
Okay. Have a great day. Let it be.